everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm back again with one of my manifesting techniques. Now listen, today we're going to talk about those people that you encounter that aren't really nice to you. This could be really at your job, at your home, or a relationship that you're in. If you're having problems where people are just being rude to you and you just want them to be a little more nicer, you landed on the right video. Today we're going to do a ritual using honey. And listen, it takes only a couple of minutes, and basically this is all you need besides some other small little things. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a manifesting law of attraction channel that basically gives you information that you can use and actually get results. So don't forget to support this channel. Join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, if you want to know how to make those people a little more nicer, keep watching. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this simple ritual that you can use in a couple of minutes to make situations more nicer in your life? Now, this is not something that you would use to move people out of your life. This is more like to get people to be nicer, especially that spouse or that boyfriend or that girlfriend or someone at your job that's always throwing in those little jabs that just want to get on your nerves. You just want this person to be nicer. You want to blend in, have fun, go to lunch, and not have a problem with this person or this situation. This is where you're going to use honey. And listen, only thing you need is honey. Don't write me and say, Yvette, is it organic or whatever? Just get some honey, okay? Whatever it is you have in your home, use it. Now, the only thing you're going to need is honey. The next thing I'm going to ask you to have, if you do, a picture of the person in question or the job. Maybe a picture of the job. Maybe a picture of you guys at a party or your family members at a party. Whoever the person is that is not being that nice to you, if you have a picture of this person, it works even faster. If you don't worry about it. Get a piece of paper where you can write the name of the person, if it's at your job, the job name, the person name, and maybe everyone involved. If it's people at your home, write the names of the people on the paper. If it's the love of your life, you should have a picture of the love of your life. And you can use the picture. You can even write the person name on the back. Now, what are you going to do with this? You're going to get something to hold the picture on. This right here is a saucer. And you're going to place the picture on the saucer. But before you do this, you can hold it in your hand, this or the paper in your hand, and you can visualize this person being much nicer to you. You can visualize this person saying, I'm sorry, or this person laughing with you, having a good time at lunch. You can imagine this person just being sweet to you. And listen, you can do it in first person or third person, however you want to do it. But I do want you to impregnate in this paper that this person is being much nicer to you. We do not want to focus on anything that is negative at this point. We just want to focus on the positive. Now, as you're doing this, I need you to state while you're visualizing or after you're visualizing that this person is now nice to you. This person is now sweet to you. The universe has opened up all doors and this person is nice. So you can say something like, thank you, universe, for blessing me with peace. At this moment, this person is being very nice to me and we are getting along and we are now friends. At this time, my relationship with this person has improved and we are now at peace. At this moment, God, as I do this ritual, I know this is already done and I release it to the universe, and so it is. Now, the reason you're doing this is because you're sending out to the universe that you are now ready to release this situation. Now, I do want to give you guys a little tip. Whatever it is that's going on in your life, remember that you attracted it some way, somehow. Some way, somehow, you attracted this negative energy. And when you do this, you absolutely need to let it go. So now what are you going to do? You're going to take some honey, and as you're visualizing and stating that this is now resolved in your favor, you're going to pour the honey on it. And as you pour the honey on it, you're going to say, this situation is now resolved. This person is now sweet to me as can be. So you can say, Billy Bob is now sweet as can be to me. And I thank you, universe, as you open up the doors to a new relationship between the two of us. At this moment, I am releasing whatever it is that has happened in the past, and I welcome nothing but happiness, peace, and calmness in our lives between these two people. Again, this could be between two people, multiple people. The thing is, do not put all different people in this from all different situations. I really need you to focus on the situation that is going on and include those people that are involved in this one situation. You're going to pour the honey on it, and then where are you going to place this? You're going to place this out of sight where no one can see it. Now, my favorite place would be over the refrigerator, in the middle or in the back. No one basically looks to the top of the refrigerator, and most of the time, none of us are as tall to see what's on top. So you can place this on the top of the refrigerator, on the top of your kitchen cabinets, but away from everyone, okay? And when the situation is resolved, then I want you to take it. You can burn it or you can throw it out, whatever it is. But the thing is, it needs to be resolved. Now, one thing I would like to add to this, do not go looking over your shoulder every minute for something to happen. Let it go. Give it to the universe. Say this is now resolved and let it go. Now, another tip, do not go in and speak to this person or speak to this person in your house in a negative way. This person might come to you and be friendly, or you might need to go to that person and be friendly. Because remember, you attracted it. And if you're still being nasty towards this person, it's going to only bring it back to you. So again, you put honey on the picture, or you put honey on their names, and you put it on top of the refrigerator and you let it go. Now, I want to give you one extra tip if you guys want to add a little more spice to it. You can absolutely add cinnamon over the honey. Now, what is cinnamon going to do? Cinnamon is also a protector, and at the same time, it brings in abundance. So if you're having problems with someone, abundance could be being happy. So at the same time, you're changing the way this person is behaving towards you, and at the same time, bringing in abundance of love, peace, and happiness. So listen, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you a simple ritual that can absolutely change how you're experiencing your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want more manifesting techniques, no matter what it is, crystals, candles, bay leaves, affirmations, scripting, whatever it is, everything is in one spot. If you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, or if you want coaching or readings or crystals or candles, please look in the description. Everything is there, and namaste.